Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Huafit Watch Metro 2. This smartwatch do have a feature for watch faces or dials. As you can see here, it's already preloaded with watch faces. Although there's a crown button here, you cannot use this to switch or change the watch face. But you can change it by going to the settings or long press on the screen display. On this video, we are going to explore the watch face section for the Huafit Metro 2. We'll also download additional watch faces from the application or the support app. As you can see here, we do have a dial market. So we will explore this on this video. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces for the Huafit Watch Metro 2, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's explore the watch face or the dial section for the Huafit Watch Metro 2. If you want to change the dials or the watch face, just long press and swipe from the list of watch faces. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have at least 6 watch faces. As you can see, it is a combination of analog and digital watch faces. Select if you want the design of the watch face. Okay. If you want additional watch face or dials, you can go to the support app. So it is using the JU Pro application available on Android and iOS. So we have here the JU Pro. Go to the device, tap on the dial market, and we have here the available watch faces for your wearable. So there's no category, so we'll just swipe to check the list of watch faces for our smartwatch. While we are waiting for other watch faces to load, let's have an example. Let's download a sample watch face. Okay, so this one, I like the simplicity of this one, or this one. This one is also okay. So let's try and download this. Tap on the design, then select start. So download the latest version. Let's wait for it to download the watch face in our smartwatch. So it's downloading the watch dial resources. It's a bit slow. Anyway, let's wait. Okay, so the watch face has been successfully downloaded. As you can see here, download watch dial successfully. And let's see, let's check our smartwatch, and we have here the watch face. Confirm. Okay, so that's very good so far. Again, let's go back to the dial market. So there's no category for the dial market again. So we really have to scroll down and just select from the list of watch faces. We have digital, analog, designs. For the custom watch face, tap on the custom wallpaper. Then click on, select a style here. Check. Then show some data here. You can select the time, sleep, or heart rate. The fan color you can adjust. Let's select a blue color. Oh, I don't like the color of blue. Let's select white. Then adjust the time. again. Okay, we'll make it yellow. That's it. Then start. Let's wait for it to download it to our smartwatch. And as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. Switching watch background. Let's wait. And as you can see here, we have successfully downloaded the wallpaper for our smartwatch. Nice. Okay, so there's no issue with the custom wallpaper. It is just a bit slow, but I think it's okay. For the dial market, the list of watch faces for the smartwatch is limited. And for the dial market, the list of watch faces is not categorized, and at the same time, there are limited design. Okay, so that's it. That's the only issue I think for the support app, for the watch face section of the Huafit Watch Metro 2. It's a bit slow to download. The same with our custom wallpaper. So limited options here also for the custom wallpaper, but it works. Okay, so that's it for our tutorial demo for the Huafit Watch Metro 2 smartwatch dials and custom wallpaper. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe. Bye.